Air and Water, Class 5th, Chapter 10. Children, in this video we will study about properties of air. Air has weight. Through air it is invisible. We are not able to see air, but it has a definite weight. Now let us find out through the following activity that air has weight. For this we have to do activity 1. For this activity 1, take two deflated football bladders of the same size. Deflated means without air. Now fill one football with air and weigh both of them. Now what do you see? The football with air is heavier than the empty football. This shows that air has weight because the filled inflated football, this has only air and it has more weight than the deflated football. So this activity shows air has weight. Air occupies space. This is the second property of air. Air occupies space means air takes some space. Anything that has weight also occupies space. So air occupies space. Now let us prove this by the activity 2. For the activity 2, blow air into a balloon. Now what do you see? The balloon turns bigger and bigger. Why it turned bigger? Because the air that we blow inside occupies the space inside the balloon, and this shows that air occupies space. Inflated balloon has air and air is filled in the balloon, so air occupies space. Activity 3. For this activity, take a glass and fill it with water up till the brim. Up till the brim means full. Filled it with water full. Now press a cardboard on the top of the glass and quickly turn the glass upside down over a sink. Now remove your hand from the cardboard. And now notice what do you see. Then we will see that neither the cardboard nor the water falls down. So why water and cardboard does not fall down? This is because air exerts pressure on the cardboard in upward direction, and this proves that air exerts pressure. Children, note down, air pressure pushes an object in all directions. Air exerts pressure. Anything that has weight and occupies space exerts pressure. So air also exerts pressure, and the pressure exerted by air on the earth, this is known as atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure means the pressure exerted by air on the earth. Now uses of air pressure. Air pressure can be used in many ways. Some of them are to draw ink into fountain pens, to draw medicines into a dropper or syringes. Cycle, car and bus tires are filled with air for smooth driving, and to draw water to the earth's surface using hand pump. Air pressure can also be used to make fountains, to suck the juice through straw, that is very common, to make hot air balloons, and to rotate windmills for grinding grains. For all these activities, air pressure is used. Activity 4. Activity 4. Take an empty tin can. Insert a balloon into it and blow air into it till the balloon fit the can. Now tie the neck of the balloon and lift the balloon by its neck. Now what do we see? You see that the tin can also gets lifted because air inside the balloon is pressing on all sides of the tin can. Very simple activity. Okay, children, you can try at home. Children, for your information, a helicopter. This is an aircraft which has rotating blades. These blades are called rotors. The rotors rotate with fast speed to reduce the air pressure above them, and the craft is then lifted upward.